Introducing the Bioenable Technologies Private Limited Identify, Automate, Track. Hello everyone, click on subscribe button and also tap on bell icon for new updates. Bioenable introducing staff tracking and monitoring system, work from home. Staff attendance and monitoring. Bioenable has come up with artificial intelligence-based facial recognition solution for real-time attendance desktop monitoring to improve work efficiency for work from home. Work from home, staff monitoring system is working Bioenable Cloud for real-time monitoring with staff tracking dashboard. Some major components of the system as below. Video call based face and background recognition. Desktop monitoring tools. Cloud based dashboards and reports. Compatible with Windows and Linux. Face recognition technology. The staff will receive an automated video call at regular intervals or random times during the working hours, where he may require to answer few questions. His face recognition will be done to verify identity. Desktop monitoring and AI-based work recognition technology. Central bot-based screen grabber captures screens from all connected computers and processes the screens through AI-based processor, pre-trained with standard work procedures of the company. All computers are installed with agents which uses state-of-art compression to upload these screens to the server. Agents support Windows 8 and above, Linux, Ubuntu 14 and above operating systems. User management to create multiple teams. Team heads can manage respective teams' desktop. Web-based dashboards and reports for staff and admins. App in action. App-based enrollments for face. Optionally, background can also be registered. Staff can view their own reports and dashboard. App-based attendance by capturing selfie images is also available. Automated bot-based video calls for attendance. Server bot will be calling at regular intervals, defined in the back-end application, to have video-based attendance. Details: contact us, Bioenable Technologies Private Limited, telephone, +91 2066 6813621, 2225, fax, +91 2026898686. Visit us on https://www.bioenabletech.com. https://time-attendance.bioenabletech.com. For sales, email us on sales@bioenabletech.com. For support, email us on support@bioenabletech.com. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and also follow us on Facebook at Bioenable and Twitter at Bioenabler.